my name is TT the T-Rex, and today I'm going to be making a small little maze. And what you'll be needing is a hot glue gun, the bars, some short little thin cardboard, a pencil, eraser, some clay, and scissors, and a small little frame. So first, put the back part out of the frame, and then get the pencil and draw a maze that you want. If yours have a hole like mine, then try to avoid trying make the ball go there, because then it wouldn't roll properly. Okay, so here's what I got after I drew it. It looks simple, but since you're gonna be controlling the frame like this, it would be a little hard. So if you want to, you can fine line it, but it doesn't matter because you're eventually gonna go over this with cardboard. Okay, so after I fine lined it, I'm gonna technically just go over this with cardboard, but I'm not sure I have enough, so I'm gonna be making more. And how to make these thin strips are pretty simple, but depending on your frame, it does matter how thin it is, and a lot of those things start to involve. So first I'm gonna cut off the flaps, the side flaps that I'm not interested in, which I never use for craft or this video. And then you can get your frame and see how much you need. So in my case, I already made one, so if you make one with a small one first, then you can see how much you need and you can cut from there. So how much I need would probably be this much. So I'm gonna cut this strip, and if I go the whole way, I think it's gonna be too much. So I think I'm gonna stop around here, maybe? And then I'm gonna start cutting. So depending on how long it is, you will be cutting here. Like if you think it's too long, we'll be cutting it. It doesn't really matter what the size is. So I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, so after I cut the cardboard and I'm okay with how much I have, I'm just gonna see how much I would need for this part. So first, if I have too much, then I'll cut it off. Oops. That went far. And then if that's okay, we'll get some hot glue and we'll stick the bars in. And since I've left it on but didn't have any bars in, it would just be the perfect timing. First, put hot glue onto where your line is, and then put the cardboard onto here, where you put the hot glue. Then repeat that over and over. And if you have any pieces that are long, I'm just gonna get the piece that's long. So here, I can use this for this part. I can cut it in half and reuse it. Keep on doing that over and over. And if you don't have enough, then you can make more with other cardboards. And just to let you know, if you accidentally make too much, then you can put the hot glue aside with the cardboard and then stick it on. Okay, so I made this and I'm not sure if this will fit in here, so I'm gonna try and fit it in. It might just be these metal parts that are bugging. sometimes it doesn't work out. I'm just gonna trim it. I'm not sure what part. So these parts that goes out, I'm gonna trim it. These parts, and all the other parts. Actually, I think this one's okay. Okay, so I trimmed it and I'll keep trying. So sometimes these parts are just the annoying parts. Oh, I think I got what the problem is. There's these edges. Okay, so for me, there are bumps here and I can't just put these parts in, so I'll have to trim those parts now. Okay, so I was able to fit this into the frame, and since it is a maze, we'll make a little ball out of this red clay. So since I accidentally made this too small part here, I'm gonna make a pretty small ball. I'm gonna make sure it goes through. Oops, went to the wrong part. I'm just gonna drop it in here, and it does not go through. Okay, I'm glad it's red, so it stands out. Okay, so after it turns into a ball, try to. Okay, does not go through once again. I cannot believe this. Okay, this time I'm hoping it will go through. Okay, please go through. Yes, it went through. Okay, since it went through, I'm gonna put this here, and then, oops, the wall. I'm just gonna put that there, and put the frame on, hoping that it will fit. Okay, it fits. Then I will close the edges, which is on the back, and then I can play. It didn't go much as how I wanted, but it did come out pretty nice, and it is a maze. And the ball is actually pretty hard to control. So it's actually a pretty hard maze, even though you know where the goal is. And that's the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and comment below.